The wrap is fucked on it now. I've had enough of the car. It's a bag of shit. It's been a very long time since we've done this, isn't it?
It is.
Jack and my clock.
Whoa. Mufasa Masala.
That is me. Right. So that's not actually our names, by the way. just to clarify. It's been a long time. We've been very busy. You guys have been keeping us extremely busy with your forging and things that you've been wanting. But today is the greatest day ever, even though it's shocking outside. We're going to actually get to the round to fit in these rear arches. Well, at least one of them anyway. So Jack's just masking this side off. And we're going to get to cutting. Like literally, we're going to get to cutting. I know you guys have obviously been waiting for content. We've had a few messages asking if we're alright. We are alright. We're all good. We're all gravy. We're not dead yet. We're doing amazing. Hope everybody else is safe and doing well as well. But we've just been busy with work. It's as simple as that. We do post a couple of little things on TikTok. If you want to go and follow us, it's just Rusty Autos, all one word, to keep up to date. But I'm just going to stop rambling and we're going to jump straight into this. And excuse the hood, it's very cold. It's very cold.
Tell the truth.
What are you laughing at?
Tell the truth.
No, I'm not bold. I'm not bold. Okay, I'm bold. But okay, we'll get to 200 likes and I'll show you. What we've just done, yeah, what we've just done is this. We've caused many damages.
Yeah,
Scrapman will love that. I know, look at the rust on it. Really bad. Get a Jap car, they said. There'll be no rust on it. That is a task for future though. We are going to under seal the whole car. And I am thinking of taking the wrap off and getting it sprayed, but we'll see. So, with the arch, you might be saying, well, you haven't cut enough out, we know. This is just so we can get the arch itself closer to the body, because that needs modifying. It needs the Dremel, and it needs to be grounded out in certain spots, and making it so it fits, which is going to be eventful. So it's a long process just to do one side. This is kind of why, I won't say we've been putting it off, have we? We've just been really busy, but we've kind of been dreading doing it, just because we know it's going to take a while. There's two skins, so you've got this skin which is very sharp, that's been cut, and then you've got this other one on the inside. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the outer skin properly first, I think, aren't we? And then what we're going to do is do the inner skin after. And we're going to do that. Sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because then we can just wing it. But no, I think that's what we're going to do. And then, like I said, I think we are going to get the car fully sprayed, so that means we're going to remove the wrap again, but if we do that, I think we're going to go darker grey, aren't we? Or silver. Yeah. Actually, like the Tokyo Drift, it's House of Colour silver. I think we're going to go for, but we're going to jump straight back into this. Put this back up to the car, do some cuttage, and do some markage. Yeah. We're back. We're back on YouTube's. YouTube's.
What the fuck?
YouTube's checking my clock. Hey?
Wait, I thought we're TikTokers.
Yeah, we're TikTokers now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are TikTokers. Look, you see this face on TikTok. Hide your wives, hide your kids.
You're gonna notice, hey, I'm falling in love.
Profanity warning. The next part in this video is to be taken with caution. One fat guy getting angry at a 350z. Enjoy.
So do you know when they say, build a replica and do a body kit, they say it'll be easy. And then people say, oh, that's taking a while. Yeah, it fucking is. I've had enough of the car. You might think, why? Because that cinematic looked amazing. And there was only 2 clips there, so what could possibly go wrong? The car. The car is what's wrong. everything about the car is wrong. No, it's not wrong, but I'm tempted to give up because we can't really fucking do it. Well, we can, but we can't. We kind of figured it out, but it took about 6 hours to actually fucking do it, which is a ball ache. We've been at it for 6 hours, 7 hours on this one side. Jack looks like a plasterer's radio. I look like a plasterer's radio, and I think it's time we fucking give in.
I'm going.
So the problem we've actually got is the fact that we're putting the arch on the car, and you have to keep going around and trimming it and everything else to see where it sits flush. But you got this absolute thing here, which sits around the bloody bumper that goes around this section, but that don't fit around that section. So we've got to then use that section to put on there to then cut the bumper out. So I've decided the fucking thing's getting painted because I've had enough of the fucking thing. I'm on a rant. I'm on a rant. This body kit has been nothing but an headache. Yeah?
Yes.
So do you know when somebody says to me, this thing it's taking a while? Yeah, it does. I paid like God knows how much money for a body kit that's an absolute ball ache to fucking fit. And that's not even the worst side. We've not even done the side with the fuel cap yet. So anyway.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, yes, don't see that. Anyway.
Yeah, but look. You put that there.
I mean, it looks fucking...
Yeah, but look.
Yeah, look at this. Look. So what we've got to do, we've trimmed all this section down. This has got to be pushed in towards here. So see this section here in the bumper? This here is the overhang of the bumper. So we decided that fucker's coming out. There's no way of cutting the arch, there's no way of adjusting it, there's no way of doing anything to it except
Chop it out.
chop it out. And like I said, I've decided the thing's getting sprayed because the wrap is fucked on it now because we've just had to scratch the shit out of it, even though we've got masking tape. Plus it'll look nicer in the long run, so that's what I keep telling myself. But it's a bag of shit. Now this is a video that don't usually go up. We usually all fucking prim and proper, but this is a real side to Rusty Autos right here. This is real stress, real drama.
I'm staying quiet for a bit.
Yeah, and I've had enough. I mean, I haven't. We've got to a point now where it's going to fit, but the problem we've got is it's going to have more modifications later on down the line to cutting the back bumper out, just because I want it to look nice in that fucking gap. Even though when you actually pull it over, you might be sat there thinking, why just pull it over? Make it so it's in line. But do you know when you make it in line at the bottom, guess what happens to the top? It's like that. So that doesn't work.
And the front just sticks out.
And the front just sticks out to fucking down river over that way. It makes no sense. It literally makes no sense.
Sands.
Sense. It's a long day.
English.
Long day. I don't know what that is. But anyway,
Look at the car.
yeah, the car is covered in absolute dust and shite.
Even the bonnet.
It looks like us. Yeah, the bonnet's covered in. Oh,
The bonnet is covered.
I didn't know that. Oh, carbon bonnet covered. We could jet wash it though, on a mist, and get rid of it. We'll do it.
What's that scratch?
There ain't no. Shut up. Shut up. Don't start me off, Jack.
Excuse me.
So what? Hey, get away with that screwdriver. But we've kind of got it where it needs to be. We've done a load of cutting, and I mean a load of cutting. We've literally been adjusting it, putting it back on, and adjusting it for the last 6 hours or 7 hours or whatever the hell it's been. And we're now at this point, and I'm still ranting because I'm annoyed at the fact that it's taking so long. The initial cut that we've done is not the even final cut. That is just so we can actually put the arch on and get some leeway with it. And that's proving to be a ball ache as well. So yeah, I think the car's going to get sprayed. It's either that or it's going to get scrapped by the time I'm finished because it's doing my bloody nut. We're going to riv nut this onto there at the top. We've got it, like I said, where it needs to be, but as well the width of it. So from here to here, it doesn't seem wide enough. So you have to stretch it and pull it. And obviously fiberglass has only got so much give. You have to also cut this section here. You have to cut this along, like we did with the fronts. So it folds around there. And then that's what we did with that. And then you have to fiberglass that in so it actually fits. I keep telling myself that it's all going to be good when it's done, and it's all going to be worth it. And if the camera's a bit blurry, I apologise, but like I said, plasterer's radio, we don't look very good. And it's all over the camera. So what we're going to do, we're going to riven up this on with 2. We're going to go home, we're going to have enough, and we'll probably pick this back up on another day of the year. Hopefully in about 3 years. No, we'll see. Monday to be like a different video. To be like we're all happy again. Monday morning. Nice and calm.
What was that?
It's Monday morning. Nice and calm. We're here. We finished it. That little cinematic you just saw was Monday morning. The freshness of the brain, the calming of the moods. Although silly Rusty and Jack did do something silly last time we fitted the front, but we'll get onto that in a minute. See, it's nice calming voice now. You could probably fall asleep to this. Eh?
Put that bolt in wrong.
What bolt?
That one on the arch.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Anyway, so arch is on. The arch is actually there. It looks so cool as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It looks really good. Obviously, we said, yeah, we've got to tidy bits and bobs up. We need to take, obviously, this off. And we do need to cut the other lip out on the inside. Now this is the bit where me and Jack did something wrong. So we're going to do that off camera because again you saw the beginning bit of cutting the lip. It's just basically measuring from the riv nuts a certain distance down. And then we cut it out and then we do the back face as well, but then we fold it up onto it and then we seam seal it. But this is the seam sealer what we use. But we left the lid off. Because we're stupid people.
Yes.
But so you may be looking at this and thinking, oh, that's a big arch gap at the top. Well, it kind of is and it isn't, because we've got coilovers. It's actually not that big. It fits good round this side. Fits good round this side. Like I said, do have coilovers. We are going to cut out this bumper section under here. You can just see it as well. That's going to come out. We may do that in a separate video as well for people that actually want to attempt to fit this kit, because we do get a lot of messages about that, don't we? About fitting the kit and when we're going to finish it. We're planning on doing it. Look, we've done one. One is done.
Just the other one.
Just the other one, which is 20 times worse. So if you thought I got angry in this one, wait till the next one.
And then lots of cleaning up and fiberglass in and...
Yes. So I'm going to go over this with the jet wash, just slightly on a mist to get rid of any rubbish and stuff on it. But we're going to have to fiberglass this section like we was talking about. You have to cut that. Same on the front as well. You have to fiberglass that section in, but we're waiting till all four's done, aren't we, to do that?
Yeah.
And then we can just focus on that and...
Are you on me?
Finish the whole thing, yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, finish the whole thing. But it's getting there. It looks really damn good. Really damn good. So make sure, commenting down below, make sure you drop a like if you've missed us, because we've missed you guys, and we're back. We're bringing it back. We're going to get this bad boy finished, and we're going to get it all done, and then you'll see us at some car meets. Now lockdown's coming to an end. Yeah!
About time.
Yeah, 2 years later, 6 years later. Jack would have grown hair by then.
There's no growth.
Why?
This is not. Why are you zooming in on my head?
I'm not. Just say to the people that you will grow hair.
I will not grow hair.
You will grow hair eventually.
Maybe if I pay for a hair transplant.
Shall we do it?
I'll get a hair transplant.
GoFundMe page for Jack's Barnet.
Please, no.
Are you sure?
No.
I think we should. Right, comment down below if you reckon we should do a GoFundMe page for Jack's hair transplant. I reckon we should do it.
That's going to be a lot of hair from... That's a lot of transplants, pal.
That's a lot of transplants.
Wait, what about you?
What about me?
Let's talk about you for a second.
Whoa, nothing about me. 200 likes and they'll find out.